Let's face it, as they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And you don't need me to tell you that a video is definitely worth more than 1,000 pictures. As broadband has become more and more affordable, people have come to expect dynamic web content. It's only natural that people prefer video over dry sales letters or presentations. The typical internet user has a short attention span. Video presentation is an ideal way to capture the user's attention and get your point across as quickly as possible without compromising on quality or boring the viewer. A professionally designed flash video presentation for your product or website will give you a tremendous advantage over your competition. Sure, you could use a webcam and some screen capture software and make a video yourself. But honestly, just how professional would the final product be? Are you sure you could present the best possible image for your page? Why not let the professionals handle it for you? And all at a price you can afford. Introducing FlashMarketingVideos.com. Our talented Flash programmers will make you a custom-tailored professional Flash presentation, just like this one, customized for your product, service, or company. Here is a quick summary of the benefits you'll receive from a FlashMarketingVideos.com presentation. 1. You do not have to acquire any special computer skills, and you'd never need to get in front of a video camera. 2. We create unique professional credibility for your website. Uniqueness sells online. 3. A professionally designed Flash video can increase sales and downloads by 317%. So why not take advantage of Flash Marketing Videos today and give your business an edge over the competition?